Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to the mid-month check-in for July 2026, another year of the make-alongs. This month theme is Christmas in July. So Christmas theme, winter theme, New Year's theme projects, or items that we're planning on giving away during the holiday season. So you guys have been turning in projects. I know there are quite a few works in progress that that a number of you guys have not submitted pictures for yet. But I did want to go ahead and do a quick little mid-month check-in and let you know at least where I am. Once again, accountability is a huge part of this channel. So I finally finished my dad's Sherlock socks and got those sent off to him, which meant I finally was able to get to work on Troy's buddy socks. So back maybe like in March when I was casting on a whole bunch of toes, I cast on the toes for these. So far this month, I have gotten this far on these socks, and these are men's size 12s. This is using Knit Picks Felici in the colorway Buddy and a Cascade Heritage for the toe. I'm not sure which color it is. If I can find it before or while I'm editing, I will slide it in here, but it's the closest green I could get to the green in here. I used it for the heels in mine because the heel cut came right in the middle of the red, and I was using a red with glimmer that didn't quite match the red in the sock, and I thought it would be weird to cut in the heel with a different shade of red. I know. Anyway, these are going to be matching Christmas socks for the two of us. I did go to pull my needlework project from where I thought it was, and it's not there. So I am going to have to spend a day or two. There is a tote from where we moved that has needlepoint in it, and it could have possibly gotten put in there, or it could be in the sewing drawer. Just from the move, there are certain things like I haven't sewn anything since we moved 3 years ago. So there is a chance it could be in the drawers for sewing in my drawers in the room next door. So that is a possibility. Those were the two big things I really wanted to focus on. I also am working on pulling together some ideas for some market bags and pot holders for my brother and his wife. And also as part of the Project Yarnable, I don't know what else to call these things, the focus of using my yarnables as they come in, or one from the stash. Trade a new one for one out of the stash. I traded for an old one. This is Bougie New Year. And Troy did say he would like socks made out of this, so I am going to make him some bougie socks. And I would like to get these cast on, especially if I can't find the needlepoint project. I would like to go ahead and cast on another pair of holiday themed socks while I'm at it. So that is what I have been working on for Christmas in July. Let's check in with you guys and see what y'all have been doing. All right. So you guys, you're doing wonderful. I have talked to a number of you guys off of the social media platforms, and we've talked about what you're working on and the progress that you're making on yours. And, you know, y'all are doing pictures when you get them done. That's fine. I just wanted to do a quick little check-in here. So don't forget, if you are doing fingering weight projects, those also count for our quarterly goal as well, which is using the fingering weight yarn. So I love you guys. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Please take care of yourselves. Bye, guys.